for console errors, or we're checking the developer tools for errors around JavaScript when you optimize with NitroPack. So I've just gone and grabbed them on the NitroPack website, and I've just gone and grabbed one of these guys, loaded up their website, one of their customers here, so Devrix. So I'm on this page here. So the way you use this is right click, go to inspect, and you'll get the developer tools will open here, and we want to be on the console tab. And you can see that there's already some errors, so we clearly have an issue here, but I'm just going to reload it anyway. So if you just hold the shift key and press the refresh button, what that does, that brings down a brand new copy of the page. So it basically, in a sense, flushes the cache. Now there's nothing here, but as soon as I move the mouse, you'll see there's some errors here. And that's one of the optimizations they're doing. They are pausing or delaying JavaScript until you use the mouse or you interact with the site, which is a common optimization. WP Rocket has a similar one as well. But you'll see here, what we want to avoid are these red errors. And usually when there's a JavaScript error, you'll see something like this Uncaught reference error. So it means the JavaScript is probably loading out of order or has some issue there. So there's definitely something wrong with this page here. And causing a problem. There's also, you can see there's some issues here with OptiMonster. So I don't think in this particular case, I don't think NitroPack is the problem. It actually looks like they have a subscription to OptiMonster that's lapsed or it's no longer active. So that's why these are throwing up. You'll see there's some 404 errors there. So it would appear that this is a separate issue to the NitroPack one related to an expired or an old OptiMonster account. But that's what we want to avoid. So anytime we see red here in this console tab, it's a problem and it needs some troubleshooting. It might be as simple as you see here. If we click into these errors, it'll give us more information on what they are. So you can click here to expand it. It's not really going to give us many insights here because these are optimized JavaScript files from NitroPack. But if we click into them, you can see there's two. This here on the end, the colon number, that's usually the line number in the code that has the errors. If I click that, it'll tell me it's this particular file here. So I'm pretty sure this file has to do with WordPress authentication. So something is up there. And if users were logging into the website, I'm not sure if they are here, it doesn't look like it, but if they're logging into the website, that could create a problem. Pretty sure that's something to do with the password complexity bar or something like that, I think. Anyway, but that's just to highlight what we're looking for. If we're seeing red here after turning on NitroPack, then we've broken something. So we need to make sure that this doesn't happen. We might need to wind back and use less aggressive settings or exclude those files from optimization. Hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, just post in the comments below on this vid. Happy to come back to you and with more detail.